Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul, and there's some new freebies that popped up this morning, so I'm excited to grab those. One of them is an Airwick starter kit, which I know we have a lot of those, but this one just says $12 back. It doesn't say that it's a free after offer. It just says $12 back. So they are $11.98 here at Walmart, so it's a freebie. And we got some other good freebies in there, a lot of BOGO deals. So we're going to be using Ibotta. We're going to be using Swag Bucks. We're going to be using coupons.com, Shop.with, Alexa, and Brand Club. Now, I also went to Target and did a quick deal there. I will show you that at the end of the video. I did already post about it though, but I am going to show it at the end of the video in case you didn't see that deal. Oh, and I got a $3 for 8 offers on my bonus, so that will be easy to hit. So I'm excited. It's not going to be a big haul today, which my haul last week was pretty big, so I'm kind of happy to not get a bunch of stuff. But if it's good stuff, I like to get it. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in store. I also did a little quick Alexa, how to use the Alexa app tutorial that will be linked down below and up in the corner, whichever corner it goes on. I can't ever remember. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. Look at the clearance, guys. Holy cow. I did not bring in any coupons either, and I should have. But we've got this deodorant. I don't know why they don't have a label on it. But I think we have a Shop.with offer for this. But I'll get back to you on that because I love this deodorant. Guys, holy makeup clearance. We just need some Ibotta rebates. Holy cow. So we've got some Clean and Clear and some Janet Jackson going in the background. So anyways, we're gonna get some Clean and Clear. So we're gonna grab this relaxing night wash here for $5.47, and then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. We're also going to submit to the coupons.com app for $2.50 and to Shop.with for $2.50. It's gonna make it free and $1.53 moneymaker. So we're gonna get the Polydent dental brush, denture brush. They're on clearance for $3.07, and we have a $2 coupon reimbursement on the coupons.com app. Then we also have $1.50 back on Ibotta. So then that's gonna make it a 43-cent moneymaker. You can also submit it to Shop.with and make it a $2.43 moneymaker. But I'm on the fence about using all of them at the same time. I know some people do, some people don't. So there you go. Next we have the one-a-day vitamins. Now you can grab these ones for $6.98 if you want, because the Ibotta offer is for 30 count or more. There's men's and women's, but I have these that I got at Walgreens, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get the teen girls for the teen girl in the house. So these are $8.98. We have a $2 rebate back on Ibotta. Then we have $3 back on the coupons.com app and $3 on Shop.with, making these just 98 cents. You could also possibly submit to Alexa. I do have a tutorial for that up on my channel as well. So we got a new offer today that is a freebie for the new Starry Pop. So I'm gonna grab that. It's been $2.18 and we're gonna get $2.18 back. But then there's this one. This is not an offer or anything. What is this? Peep marshmallow flavored Pepsi with a peep on it. Oh gosh. Next, we're gonna get an Airwick starter kit. We got a new $12 offer back on Ibotta, so I'm gonna grab this one because it's pretty. But here we got the $12 back on Ibotta, but I always scan this one for good measure, and it attaches to this one too. So this is $9.98 and you're gonna get back 12, making it a 202 moneymaker. Something I forgot to mention, that there is a $1.75 back on the coupons.com app that you can get for buying this little guy here. So it would make it a $3.77 moneymaker if you haven't used that already. I also mentioned that at the end of the video. I just wanted you to know that yes, I am aware of that, and yes, you can use it on this too. So I'm gonna get this on my second account. But there was also more new rebates for this Airwick Vibrant, which is new stuff. I like new stuff. So we're going to grab a 2-pack of this lavender and water lily. I would like to get one of these, but I only see this in a big pack. So we're gonna grab this, and it's $6.98, and we have a $4 rebate on Ibotta. But I'm gonna pair this in together, and I'm gonna use the 7 off 2 coupons.com offer. So you're gonna pay $18.96 for the 2 of these, but then you'll get back $12 on Ibotta for this, and $4 on Ibotta for this, plus $7 on the coupons.com app, making these a 404 moneymaker, which I'm grabbing. So I think this is the last offer I'm getting because I only needed the 5 offers, but I wanted to get the freebies too. So we're gonna grab some Persil. The Persil is $5.97, so you can do the liquid. They have a few pods in the back that I can't reach. I know Jody will laugh at that, but we have a $2 rebate on Ibotta, plus we have $3 back on the coupons.com app and $3 on the Alexa app, making this a 203 moneymaker. If you want to do coupons.com, Shop.with, and Alexa, then this would be like a 402 moneymaker. So super good deal. So I found these on clearance. I thought they were gone, but they're on clearance for $2.09 at my store. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. It's gonna equal out to $4.18. We got $7 back on swag bucks, making it a 282 moneymaker. But the offer on Checkout 51, from what I can tell, is gone. So it's just gonna be the 282 moneymaker. So with my moneymakers, I'm gonna get something that I drink every day, and that's gonna be liquid IV. There's no offers on this, but we do have a $2 offer on the coupons.com app, so it'll be $6.98, and my moneymakers will pay for this. It's expensive, but I love it. I typically buy it from Costco, but I thought I would show you guys how you can get stuff that you really want that's kind of expensive with your moneymakers. Plus there's also an offer for that right there. So here we go. So this is everything we have for today. Not a whole lot, but I like what we got, and just know that I'm getting this on my second Ibotta account. So when I do a second Ibotta account, I usually just cash it out for a Walmart gift card and reuse it, and that's how I use that second one. I don't normally set it to a PayPal, but I usually have my boyfriend's PayPal that I use, and then I just send it to me. But it's all me, the mastermind behind it all. So anyways, this is everything we got. Let's go check out and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and everything rang up fine. My clearance Palmolive rang up totally fine, so no issues there, and I didn't use any coupons, which is fun. But it's also fun to not pay very much out of pocket, so we'll see. So I also did a small deal yesterday at Target, and I am including that with my math today because it is part of my weekend warrior bonus, and I was going to include it and do the rest of my Walmart video yesterday with that Target deal, but the weather was really bad and I just wanted to go home. So I posted that deal yesterday. I will include it here in just a second. But yeah, that was an amazing deal. I had to go do it and show you guys. I was so excited. So here is that deal right now. Very rarely do I do run deals. So we're gonna run into Target and we're gonna do this deal before it's gone. This week at Target, a lot of laundry products are buy 3, get a $10 gift card. We're going to grab a 26.5 ounce of the Downy Refresh beads for $15.99. Then we're going to grab a 14.8 ounce bottle of the Downy beads, priced at $10.99. Then this last one is very important. You want to make sure that it is a 13.4 ounce bottle of Downy beads. I'm getting the Downy Fresh Protect. These are going to cost $36.97. We're going to use a $2 off coupon for this one, and we're going to use a $3 off printable coupon for this one. Those coupons you can get at pggoodeveryday.com if you want to print them out. There are also digitals available as well. And then we're going to use a $5 rebate on Ibotta for this guy. We're going to get a $5 rebate on Ibotta for this one. And then we're going to get a $5 rebate on Ibotta for this one. You're going to pay $31.97 in the store for them, but then you're going to get back a $10 gift card. And then you'll get back $15 on Ibotta, making it just $6.97 for the 3 of them, guys. Holy cow. And here is my receipt. I got the $10 gift card back, and there's my 2 coupons, and my total was $36.97, and then I paid with 3 gift cards. And here are my Ibotta offers pending. It usually only takes a few minutes to get the money back there. So let me know if you score. So wasn't that an insane deal? Now, the only thing is with that deal is that not everybody on Ibotta got that deal, which was strange. Now, it's no secret I have 2 Ibottas. I have my Ibotta and I have my boyfriend's Ibotta. My account didn't get them. His did. So that's the account I'm using today for my bonus. But I don't know why. I saw a lot of people on Instagram not get them, so I don't know. I really don't. But it was an amazing deal, and I did use 2 coupons there that I printed from the PG Good Everyday website. There was digitals that you could use as well, but I wanted to use the paper coupons. So the total after those 2 coupons, along with my Walmart items, was $99.74. Now, I did get that second Airwick thingy, and that was $9.98, and that is included in this. And that went through totally fine. I'll just show you right now. That went through totally fine by itself, and I wasn't even out to my car yet, and it was approved, and the money was in my account. So totally happy with that, and that's a nice free $2 moneymaker there. Or a $3.77 moneymaker if you still have the $1.75 back on the coupons.com app, which I do, and I forgot all about it, but what else is new? There you go. So with all of my rebates back from Walmart, the total amount would be $40.68 plus the $15 from Ibotta for Target. Then I got the $3 Weekend Warrior bonus, and I got the $7 back on Swag Bucks for the Palmolive. So I was like, oh my gosh, where are they? They're gone. I thought they were clearanced out and gone, but I swear half of my store is clearance right now. So these are on a completely different section that I wouldn't even think to look. So I was happy to get those. Then I did the coupons.com app, and I got back $16.50. Now, it went right over my head, completely over my head, that the Persil was only for Target. Now, for whatever reason, what I did is I just went into, grabbed the Persil, and I just scanned it with the barcode, and I scanned it, and it pulled up an offer. And I thought, okay, it's for Target, or it's for Walmart. No, it's only for Target. But for whatever reason, when I just picked up the bottle and scanned it with the barcode reader on the coupons.com app, it took me right to the offer, and I didn't see anywhere in that it was only for Target. But if you go through the list, just the full list where you hit the pluses, it says only for Target. So no $3 there. So instead of $19.50, I'm getting back $16.50 there. $2 for the Liquid IV, $7 for the Airwick, $3 for the One A Day, $2 for the Poly Dent, and $2.50 for the Clean and Clear. Now on the Shop.with app, I'll get back $10.50 there. $3 for the One A Day, $2 for the Poly Dent, $3 for the Persil, and $2.50 for the Clean and Clear. it accepted the Persil on the Shop.with app, and it only said, I think it said Kroger or Dollar General that it was excluding. But anyways, I was able to scan it with my receipt and uploading it and all that jazz, and that worked totally fine. Now I am going to upload my receipt to the Alexa app, and that is $3 for the Persil, $2 for the Polydent, $2.50 for the Clean and Clear, and $3 for the One a Day. Now I know a lot of people are divided on what we should do with these two extra apps. Are they extra money? Are they not? I am not really sure. I am just using them and showing you guys the deals. It's up to you if you want to use them or not. As of right now, everything's working fine for me. I just want to know your guys' thoughts. If I'm not using it the right way, then I definitely would like to know your guys' thoughts. But please be kind. I don't put up with negative comments. I don't do anything like that. I delete and I block. And I don't mean to be rude, but you know what I mean? I try to keep my videos, all of my posts, kind and respectful. Then I'll get back $4.80 on Brand Club. So with Brand Club, I'll get back $1.65 for the Liquid IV, $1.50 for the One a Day, and $1.65 for the Clean and Clear. And then I got back that $10 gift card from Target because it was buy 3, get back $10 on laundry products. So I am including that in there because that affects the total of the laundry items. So I only did the 3 laundry items. There's a lot more rebates back. There was a ton, but I only just did the 3 because I love to get those big scent beads. So that is everything that I have. So my total for everything is free and a $15.74 moneymaker. Wow. Even without Shop.with and Alexa, it was still a really, really good deal. And I got that Liquid IV, which I get every week, or I buy it in bulk. I suggest buying it in bulk. A lot of times you can get it at Costco without even having a Costco membership. And you can get like 30 of them for $30, and I love drinking them. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. If you made it to the end of the video, be sure to go over either on YouTube or Instagram and say congratulations to Bree, the Coupon Queen. She got married yesterday, and I wish I could have been there, but I just couldn't, I couldn't get down to Florida in time to do that. So I'm really excited for her and all that jazz. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to get your Google Doc down below in the description box, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys. I'm trying to make my hair look cute. So wasn't that was just an amazing deal? Wasn't that just an amazing deal? Oh my gosh. Now, the thing is with that, those rebates, not everybody got them. I saw a lot of people on Instagram not get them. What else was I gonna say? Oh, and we're gonna grab this one down here for $4.88. It looks like it's the cheapest one they have. So, ew, it's got stuff all over it. Yucky.